It's like in real life also na, there are certain things कि आप हमेशा you can't satisfy everyone in your family also. So it's like for us actors also it's the same thing. If we put up some pictures on social media, it's not like that everybody will talk good about you. People will body shame you, people will talk shit about you, people will be cursing, abusing the shit out of you. So it is for a character that you portray on screen also. It's not like everybody is going to accept the way you are, or everybody is going to like the, thank you so much Dada, everybody is going to like the character that you're portraying. So it doesn't work like that. So it's okay. I mean, there are pros and cons, there are ups and downs. Some will like you, some will not like you, and you just have to accept and move on. By being real. Honestly, by being real, by being myself. I don't mind portraying a character. Like I've always said, Kangana Ranaut in fashion has been a major inspiration for me. I would love to portray something like that. I would love to portray a strong, feisty, independent woman. I don't mind portraying a character of a cop also, like somebody who's like, मतलब एक ऐसा पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर जो मतलब किसी को भी खा सकती है वाला जोन, like she's very sharp and like she's completely into her job and she knows what she's doing wala zone. So I don't mind portraying such kind of strong, empowered woman ka character also. Lesson that I have taken is not to trust people and not to be too nice and kind to people who doesn't deserve your niceness and kindness. Simple, period. मतलब ये तो मैं actually मतलब कोई मेरे से प्यार से बात करते तो I'm like हाँ ठीक है छोड़ो, कोई sorry बोल दे तो I'm like हाँ छोड़ो भूल जाओ, okay let's move on and go on in life. This is something that I have learned from my dad. और over a period of time मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस इंडस्ट्री में ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं चलता है कि जहाँ पे लोग सॉरी बोले एंड यू थिंक कि अच्छा छोड़ो यार चलो इट्स ओके लेट्स मूव ऑन वाला जोन, बिकॉज देन पीपल थिंक दैट यू आर वल्नरेबल एंड दे कैन जस्ट वॉक ओवर यू. It's not scripted, but situations and tasks sometimes are such that it makes you do certain things. Like your actions are always questioned. Like today, if I'm friend with you and if I'm supporting you in a certain scenario, then also I'll be questioned कि आपने उनको क्यों support किया, और आप अगर कुछ कर रहे हो और मैंने support नहीं किया तो भी मैं question किए जाऊँगी कि आप तो इनके दोस्त थे लेकिन फिर भी आपने support नहीं किया. So your every actions are being questioned. So it is kind of very tricky. I don't know what my fan expects, but what I expect out of myself is to do good work and to entertain my fans. And I just hope that they love me and they keep showering all their love and they watch Personal Trainer and they shower all their love on my show. I don't know anybody's personal routine ki kaun kya karte, but I really look up to Jennifer Lopez. She's like really well maintained at this age. So yeah, she's someone who proves ki age is just a number. I can live on biryani. I can live on fish and rice because that's my staple diet. So I think मेरा cheat food यही होगा कि मुझे बस chicken और fish दे दो. No yaar, I don't post workout on social media. मतलब very rarely you will get to see me posting my workouts on social media. Maybe once in 4-5 months or 6 months. That's it. यार जब मैं वेट ट्रेनिंग करती हूँ ना बहुत सारे ऑकवर्ड चीज़ें होती है मेरे साथ बिकॉज आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट नॉट प्रो एट इट एंड आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट नॉट गुड एट इट. सो या आई थिंक दोज आर some moments are very awkward. Like if you ask me right now कि go out and ये मशीन ये इक्विपमेंट कैसे चलता है, I'll be very funny and clumsy. I'll be like अच्छा मतलब अगर पैर से ऐसे पुश करना होगा मैं पता चला ऐसे पुश कर रही हूँ, सो या मैं कुछ उल्टा ही भलता ही करूँगी. सो फॉर मी यू टेल मी टू डू किक बॉक्सिंग, पिलाटीज, योगा, pole dancing, I can do all of that. Like that's my forte. But I think ये weight training and all these equipments are not my forte. Though I do enjoy, I wouldn't lie. But मुझे मेरा trainer वहाँ पे मेरे side में चाहिए. I think no one should ever try something weird just for fun because fitness is something you should take it very seriously, or otherwise you will get a very bad injury if you just do it for fun's sake. One gym rule I always break. I'm not much of a rule breaker, so yeah. Gym में तो मतलब it's not like school that you will have to be on time. But yeah, if my trainer asks me to come at 10 o'clock or if my Pilates class is at 10 o'clock, I will be there before time. 5 minutes prior to definitely yeah, I'll be there. मैं फैंस को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि प्लीज़ मेरा शो देखिए जो हंगामा OTT पे आने वाले हैं, पर्सनल ट्रेनर, एंड अपना प्यार दीजिए और प्लीज़ प्लीज़ शावर मी विद ऑल द लव. थैंक यू.